Up ang hands mo, up and down, like this, oh, up. Na, sige. Exercise, like that, okay. So your hips, on your hips. Na, like that. Put your hands on your hips. Na. Then, sige. Exercise. Oh, fitness. Look, ayaw nyo. Ganyan na siya. You're not tired? Huh?
I'm really tired.
I'm really tired. Oh. Tiring? You're tired? Okay, relax. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Like that. Oh.
Ano ba mo niya?
Exercise again. Up again, up. Sige na, exercise.
Ano na, gagawin tulog.
Up and down na, sige na. Sige na.
Down.
Exercise na ba?
Up.
Hey, come on. Step on it. Ka, exercise na. What's that? Okay, you say bye.
Bye.
What's your name?
What's your name?
No, your name. What's your name?
What's your name?
I'm asking what's your name?
What's your name?
My name is...
The name is?
What? Your name is what? Jocelyn? Jocelyn, what? You know, exercise. Oops. Okay. There you go.
There you go.
1, 2.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, pina-reverse pang counting. Okay, again.
1, 2, 3, 4.